This channel is posting animated horror videos and gained more than 100,000 subscribers, and currently making more than $5,000 a month. People love watching animated videos. But what if I told you that you can also make these videos using AI? So let's begin. Firstly, head over to ChatGPT and ask the chatbot to create a horror story on any topic, for example, Christmas. It will take less than a minute to create the story for you. Then ask him to short the story a bit. If it does not feel like a horror story, then ask him to add a horror touch in the story. Then ask the chatbot to create the image prompts, which we can use in an AI image generator to generate the images from the above story or any paragraph of your story. As we know, it does not let you down and will generate the image prompts for you. I recommend you to short the image prompts and transform them into simple words. After that, go to Leonardo AI to generate the images from the prompts which we've created using ChatGPT. Copy the first prompt and paste it in Leonardo. Change the aspect ratio to 16:9 to generate a horizontal image. Press generate, then it will generate the images according to the prompts. Copy and paste the other prompt links to generate the other images as well. Then we will animate these images. It's very simple. Go to this website, link will be mentioned in the description. After creating the account, upload the AI-generated image, then click on Generate. Your photo will convert it into professional animated video. Repeat the process for all images. Now for high-quality voiceover, consider using Play HT. Create an account and click on Go to Studio. Click on Create New File and choose the voiceover that suits with the horror video. Paste the story into the Type Here box and click on Generate Speech. Your voiceover will be ready. The final step is editing. I edit my videos using CapCut. Open CapCut and import all your animated videos and the voiceover. Place voiceover in the timeline first. Then add the animated videos one by one according to the words that are spoken. Click on text, then on auto captions to generate the captions. Pick an animation for the captions. Change the font style and your first horror video is generated. Thanks for watching. I will catch you up in the next one.